बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम 14 लेक्चर का लास्ट पार्ट पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू कि जो हमारा ये 14 लेक्चर था उसमें हमने स्टडी कर लिया है सेट्स को। और ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट्स, इसके बारे में भी हमने बात कर ली है। मेंबरशिप्स हैं जिस पे हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। इन दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम नोटेशंस एंड वेन डायग्राम। This is the notation for set equality. Two sets are said to be equal if and only if they contain precisely the same elements. The order in which the elements are listed is unimportant. Elements may be repeated in set definitions without increasing the size of the set. For example, we have the set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B as 1, 4, 2, 3. Here you can see that both sets contain the same number of elements and same elements. Here we can say A is a subset, proper subset of B, and B is a proper subset of A. Therefore, we can say A is equal to B and B is equal to A. Similarly, in the second example, we have A is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A is a proper subset of B and B is also a proper subset of A. Therefore, A is equal to B and B is equal to A. Last topic is Venn diagram. Venn diagram is some kind of diagram which shows the orientation of set A and set B, and also it tells about universal set. Here you can observe that U is the universal set, and in that set A and B sets are contained. Here we have the set A, that is all those x such that x belongs to z plus and x is less than or equal to 8. So if we find the numbers in this set, then as we know that all the elements are positive integers, therefore positive integers we can start from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in the set B, that B can be defined as x such that x belongs to z plus, where x is even and less than or equal to 10. That is पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स हैं और इवन भी हैं और 10 से छोटे हैं या उसके बराबर हैं. So we can write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here A is not a proper subset of B, क्योंकि A के सारे एलिमेंट B के अंदर मौजूद नहीं है, और B is not a proper subset of A. Let's see कि 2 यहाँ मौजूद है, 4 मौजूद है, 6 मौजूद है, 8 है, लेकिन B में जो एलिमेंट 10 है वो सेट A में मौजूद नहीं है. Therefore, B is not a proper subset of A. Right? This example shows that again we can see A set contains all integers which are positive and x is less than equal to 9. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And B set contains positive integers such that x is even and less than or equal to 8. तो हमें even numbers लिखने हैं जो कि positive integers भी हैं और less than or equal to 8 भी हैं. That is that we can write as 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here we can observe that A is not a proper subset of B. आप देख सकते हैं कि A जो है वो bigger set है. B is a proper subset of A, कि B के सारे elements A में मौजूद हैं. And A is a superset of B. That is also right कि A कोई बड़ा set है जिसके अंदर पूरे का पूरा B contain कर रहा है. Right? Now this we have एक और definition है यहाँ पे यही के सबसेट से रिलेटेड हम वेन डायग्राम देखेंगे. A set contains all positive integers where x is even and x is less than equal to 10. तो हम इसमें even numbers लिखेंगे जो कि 10 और 10 से छोटे हैं, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 is not included. B set contains positive integers where x is odd and x is less than equal to 10. So we can write 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here in place of 9 we have 10. Here we can see that A is not a proper subset of B because A is not contained in B, and B is not a proper subset of A because B is not contained in the set A, right? Okay.